Today I'm going to show you how to create a basic task in the task scheduler. To start off, open your search bar, which you can do by pressing the Windows key. Then search for Task Scheduler and open the program. Once the program is running, click the Create Basic Task action. Enter a name for your task, and if you want, you can add a description. Next, select how you want the task to be triggered. Then select when you want the task to be triggered and for how long. If you want, you can make it recur every other day, but for this example, I'll just have it repeat every day. Here we have some options for scheduled emails or messages, but my task requires the action to start a program. This is where we pick the program we want to be tasked. And that's pretty much it. Just click finish and you have a basic task. As you can see, the task appear in the list. To remove your task, highlight the task and choose delete. Good luck!